One little apple hanging on the tree, waiting for someone to pick it with glee. Two little apples, shiny and red, swaying in the breeze just overhead. Three little apples, crunchy and sweet, perfect for a snack, what a treat. Four little apples rolling away, let's chase them down and save the day. Five little apples baked in a pie, warm and delicious, my oh my. Six little apples squeezed into juice, sipping it slowly, it's so profuse. Seven little apples in a basket they go, ready for the market, row by row. Eight little apples shared with a friend, the fun never seems to end. Nine little apples, one more to see, the last little apple still on the tree. 10 little apples, now we're done, counting all the apples was so much fun. One little apple on the apple tree, waiting there so happily.
Two little apples glowing in the light, dancing gently, what a sight. Three little apples, small and green, the ripest apples you've ever seen. Four little apples turning red, ready to be plucked instead.
Five little apples falling near, bouncing softly, oh so clear.
Six little apples chopped with care, turn to sauce beyond compare. Seven little apples in a cake, baked to golden sweet delight to make. Eight little apples in a pie, filling the kitchen with a scent so spry.
Nine little apples, juice with pride, a glass of cider by your side. 10 little apples, now we're through, counting apples was fun to do.
One little apple on the apple tree, waiting there so patiently. Two little apples shining in the sun, swaying gently, having fun. Three little apples, green as can be, growing bigger on the tree. Four little apples turning red, ready to be picked instead. Five little apples falling down, rolling softly on the ground. Six little apples made to sauce, stirred in pots without a pause. Seven little apples baked in a cake, a tasty treat for all to make. Eight little apples tossed in a pie, golden crust beneath the sky. Nine little apples pressed for cider, a drink so sweet it's hard to hide her. 10 little apples, now we're done, counting apples is such fun.